Hey, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This short video is for the team over at Hitech Central Air. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 things you could do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this short video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's okay with me. I'll get right into it. 3 things I'm going to be talking about are going to be citations, content, and backlinks. I'm going to start off with content. So as you can see, I'm on your home page right here. When I say content, I mean anything that's on this page, from the pictures, videos, and words. And my recommendation to all the people I work with, businesses I work with, is to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here. This will help you get looked up by Google, outrank your competition, and place you higher in the search results. So you want to have at least 1,500 or more keyword-rich content on this home page. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. Now, I went ahead and did a quick little search, heating and air conditioning, New York City, just to show you what customers would be looking at when they search something similar. So it's always going to be the same. This top section right here, it's called the Google Guaranteed. This is a section where it's a paid ads through Google. You go through a verification process, and once they verify your business, you're allowed to place an ad in this section right here. It's really good. It's a paid service, but it's the first thing customers see, and it's been providing really good leads. After that, we move down to this traditional Google Ads section, which is kind of a hit or miss depending on who makes the ads for you. This could end up being a money pit if placed improperly, and a lot of people don't even see these if they have an ad blocker installed on their browser. But businesses still use it, and if the ad is placed properly with a good offer, good words, and good links, it'll pay off. After that, we move down to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack section. And here I'll explain to you what a citation is. So citation is anywhere on the web which allows you to input your business information, such as your business address, phone number, and name. And that's going to be in your national directories where you can put all this information. A directory is going to be like a Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, White Pages, those kind of websites. This is Map Pack is highly recommended for businesses to try to make it to these top 3 positions. And we specialize in putting businesses in these top 3 positions. After that, we move down to the organic section. As you can see, I was talking about those directories like Yelp. They also make their way here. Angie's List is going to be here. Home Expertise is going to be here. And other advisors will be here too, like national directories. But also here are those websites which have organically outranked other competitors and made their way to the first page of the Google search. We also work with businesses to help them make it to this first page. Third and last thing I'm going to be talking about is going to be backlinks. So a backlink is any website out there which is providing a link to your website and potentially driving traffic and giving you solid keywords. I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. As you can see, I've put in your company's website right here. And this is a great tool. It's a paid service. They buy their data right from Google, and they present it in a way which makes it easier for me to assess the performance of any website. So I can see right here, as far as referring domains are concerned, you guys have 21 referring to you, giving you 765 backlinks, which give you 717 keywords, which in return get you guys 169 organic traffic. Or in other words, 169 visitors to your website every month. That's a monthly number. Now I want to show you another competitor in New York City and show you what their numbers look like. This is their numbers right here. So it's a big difference, but I'll show you the numbers. As you can see, they have 716 referring domains, giving them 3,100 backlinks, giving them 27,000 keywords, which give them at least 26,000 people organic traffic visiting their website per month. So this is definitely the direction you guys want to be headed towards. This is you guys again. Now boosting these numbers and pumping them up to the thousands, that's what we specialize in. And we can definitely help you guys with this out here too. So I told you I'll keep the video short. That's all I have for today. I really hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can talk. If not, no worries. Enjoy these free tips I've given you today. I'd just like to ask you to please give me some feedback on what you think about the video and how I did. And with that, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.